Well, the big developing story as far as the Arjikor rape and murder case is concerned is that in the case that was registered in connection with allegations of evidence tampering after that horrific rape and murder took place, in that case there were two people who were arrested. One was Sandip Ghosh, the former principal of Arjikor Medical College and Hospital. The other was Abhijit Mondal, the former officer in charge of the Tala police station under which the Arjikor Medical College and Hospital comes. Now, in the Supreme Court, when these hearings were taking place about the Arjikor Medical College and Hospital case, the rape and murder case, the CBI had mentioned that they sensed a conspiracy. In fact, even the judges had remarked that, it seemed to be a very serious issue. But many also had commented at that time that the allegations of evidence tampering did not seem to have been backed by solid evidence. However, in all of that, what we know is that in August this year, a horrific rape and murder case took place. The police, Kolkata police at that time, conducted the initial investigation. According to their investigation, there was one accused in this case, the main accused, who has been arrested by them, and then of course the CBI took over the investigation. Sanjay Roy is now facing trial. The trial has started. Charge sheet has been submitted against him and the trial is ongoing in a fast-tracked manner. But in this allegation of evidence tampering that came up later, in that case, the two arrested people, Sandip Ghosh, the former principal of Arjikor Medical College and Hospital, and Abhijit Mondal, the former officer in charge of the Tala police station, they've got bail, and they've got bail because the CBI, the investigating agency, hasn't been able to file a charge sheet within the mandatory 90 days from arrest. Now, that is also because in this case, the evidence really wasn't, at least as many observe, wasn't very strong, the allegations of evidence tampering. However, in the main case, which is the allegation of the rape and murder, in that case, what we know is that, there was, of course, the main accused who was arrested, and this main accused was actually Sanjay Roy, who has now been apprehended, and of course he has been, he's facing trial. But in the allegations of evidence tampering, in that case there was no supplementary charge sheet filed within the mandatory 90-day period, and that's why Sandip Ghosh and Abhijit Mondal have gotten bail. Now, while Abhijit Mondal will be able to come out of jail, Sandip Ghosh will not be able to come out of jail because he's also been arrested in the financial irregularities case. So that case is still there, so he won't be able to come out, but Abhijit Mondal will be able to come out on bail, and that's the latest as far as the investigation of the Arjikor Medical College and Hospital is concerned. Now, the Kolkata police, when these allegations of evidence tampering had come up, had explained that, look, there is very solid evidence against the main accused. So there has been no evidence tampering, is what the Kolkata police had said. When it came to questions of why a wall was broken, they had explained that that demand came from the students themselves in writing. There were several other theories, and those theories were all debunked by the Kolkata police. But the Kolkata police did maintain that every bit of evidence that they had collected was actually preserved and used to nail the main accused, Sanjay Roy, who's facing a criminal trial based on that evidence. But there was no evidence tampering, is what the Kolkata police had said. The CBI, however, had said that they had suspected that there was a massive, that there was a conspiracy, and they were investigating it, but they haven't been able to file a charge sheet in that. So Abhijit Mondal and Sandip Ghosh have got bail in the evidence tampering allegations, the case that was there regarding the evidence tampering and the reason that they were picked up for alleged evidence tampering.